Hello, welcome to VHM. My name is Heike and today I'm going to show you the upgrade kit for the Yamaha 125. The kit is based on a special crankshaft, high inertia and a longer rod. The rod is 3 mm longer, and this means you have to use a special piston where the hole is also 3 mm higher in the piston. This will give you an advantage. You don't need to use a spacer on the cylinder, you can use the normal standard base gasket. For the cylinder head we have 3 different volumes, from high compression to mid compression and low compression, so you can treat it on every circuit from sand to hard. One thing we made also different is we use a wide piston pin bearing. The reason for this is the standard Yamaha has a small bearing, and we see the piston pin will get blue because there's less oil. With this wide bearing it helps. Besides our VHM parts, we also have a very good exhaust from ATS and the silencer. Together this will give a performance increasement about the whole range, and a reed valve from V-Force will help you to give more mid-range power. Thank you for watching and see you next time.